Hello, everybody. Your presence, your enthusiasm just tells how eager you are to illuminate your minds with an English light. Knowledge of these vocabulary words will open new doors of opportunities in your life. So, without wasting lot more time, I will begin with our work. First word for today is artisan. Artisan. Artisan is a manually skilled worker who is skilled to use his hands to perform a particular task. Example: artists and artisans are necessary to the development of a culture. I will elaborate it more. Suppose you have a automobile. If there is some breakdown in the automobile, where do you take your automobile for the repair? To the automotive artisan. Next word is artless. Artless. It means without guile, open and honest. Means without any hidden intentions. Artless. Example: Red Riding Hood's artless comments, "Grandma, what big eyes you have," indicates the child's innocent surprise at her grandmother's changed appearance. Monks are artless. They follow a strict lifestyle and are open and honest in their day to day work and show compassion. Next word is ascendancy. Ascendancy. Ascendancy means controlling influence. Example: President Marcos failed to maintain his ascendancy over Philippines. Next example: the ascendancy of Hitler led to many atrocities because Hitler was known for conducting genocide, killing masses of people. Next word is aseptic. Aseptic. It means preventing infection, having a cleansing effect. Now again, this word aseptic is constructed with a prefix a and septic, and the use of prefix a is opposite of septic. Okay, so septic is infection, and something which is used for preventing that infection is called aseptic. Aseptic conditions are maintained in hospitals to reduce the mortality rate. So our example goes like this: hospitals succeeded in lowering the mortality rate as soon as they introduced aseptic conditions. Now, how these aseptic conditions are introduced? By the use of antiseptic solutions. Dettol is used to wash the floor, and hygiene is taken care of at various levels of medication. Next word is ascetic. Ascetic. It means practicing self-denial or leading a austere life style. Means strict and leading a strict life and without luxuries. Example, the wealthy young man could not understand the ascetic life led by the monks of this monastery. One more example, he spent many years in a monastery living as an ascetic. Next word is asceticism. Asceticism. Asceticism is a doctrine of self denial. It is a book which tells that how an ascetic should behave in his life. Example, we find asceticism practiced in many monasteries. Next word is ascribe. Ascribe. It means refer, attribute, or assign as a reason. Example, I can ascribe no motive for her acts. Doctor ascribed to his tiredness as anemia. His use of wiki answers to do his homework can be ascribed to his inherent laziness. Next word is ashen. Ashen. It means ash colored, deadly pale. Example, her face was ashen with fear. The boy was ashen after he saw the horror movie. Next word is asinine. Asine. It means a stupid. Example, your asinine remarks prove that you have not given this problem any serious consideration. The fact that man tried to rob the bank with a water gun was a very asinine concept. Next word is askance. Askance. It means with a sideways or indirect look, to do with suspicion or disapproval, or do without confidence. Example, looking askance at her questioner, she displayed her scorn. She was showing that how such a question could be asked to her. Next example, his mother would pause and look askance at the group, caught up in their games with such seriousness and concern. Next word is askew. Askew. It means crookedly, slanted, or at an angle. Example, when he placed his hat askew upon his head, his observers laughed. Next word is asperity. Asperity. It means sharpness of temper. Example, these remarks spoken with asperity stung the boys to whom they had been directed. One more example, their grandfather always addressed them with asperity when he caught them running through the house. This happens in joint families when you have elderly people to look after for the young ones. Next word is aspersion. Aspersion. It means slanderous remark. Now, what is a slanderous remark? It is any comment which is casted to corrupt the reputation of someone. An attack on the reputation or on the integrity of someone or something. That is called aspersion. Example, I do not think anyone is casting aspersions on you. It is painful to have aspersion made on your character by someone who was once so close to you. One more example, a politician career may be ruined by a single aspersion that he or she is guilty of dishonesty or improper conduct. Next word is aspirant, ASPIRANT. It means seeker after position or status. Example, although I am an aspirant for public office, I am not willing to accept the dictates of the party bosses. Next word is aspiration. ASPIRATION. Aspiration means noble ambition. What is your aspiration? His only aspiration was to please his parents. Becoming a published author was her major aspiration in her school years. Next word is assail. Assail means assault. Example, he was assailed with questions after his lecture. Next example, the angry father assailed his son with asperity when he discovered he had taken his car out for a joyride. Next word is assay. ASSAY. It means analyze, evaluate something. Example, when they assayed the ore, they found that they had discovered a very rich vein. Other example is, you would have to assay an ore sample to see if it was actually gold. At the final camp, climbers could assay their chances at reaching the summit. Next word is assent. It means agree or accept something. Example, it gives me great pleasure to assent to your request. The patient had to assent to having the operation before the doctor could continue. Next word is assert. ASSERT. It means state strongly or positively. Insist on or demand recognition of right. Actively demanding something, that is called assert. Now, assertion or assert is used when somebody insists on or demands recognitions of rights, claims, etc. Example, he used his strong voice to assert his authority over the group. Means to assert that he has more rights in comparison to other members of the group. One more example, Mr. Smith asserts that sorry, Mr. Smith asserts that he was home last Thursday. Another example, when Zil asserted that nobody else in the junior class had such an early curfew, her parents asserted themselves, telling her that if she didn't get home by 9 o'clock, she would be grounded for the week. Next word is assessment. 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 It means estimation or appraisal. Example, we have assessment tests. Example is, I would like to have your assessment of the situation in South Africa. We both saw the fight, but I don't agree with his assessment of the situation. After the initial assessment of our home's value, the number went up slightly each year. Most psychologists will ask new patients to complete a mental health assessment before beginning treatment. Next word is assiduous. Assiduous. It means diligent. Having or showing care and conscientiousness in one's work or duties. Means showing care to make the things done in a correct way. Example, it took me weeks of assiduous labor before I was satisfied with his portrait of his son. Thomas Edison was assiduous person. Next word is assimilate. Assimilate. It means absorb, cause to become homogeneous. Example, it will take a whole day to assimilate the results. Also, it will take a while to assimilate your cousin into the family. He assimilated the information through long hours of study. That is what we do in our academics. We study lot of information and try to assimilate it into our brains. One more example, the manner in which the United States was able to assimilate the hordes of immigrants during 19th and early part of the 20th century will always be a source of pride. Next word is assuage. Assuage. It means ease or lessen pain. When you express your sympathy, you assuage the pain of the sufferer. Example, your message of cheer should assuage her suffering. One more example, I helped assuage his hurt and pain by spending time with him. Next word is assumption. Assumption. Something taken for granted. The taking over or taking possession of. When somebody holds an office, that is called assumption of office. Example, the young princess made the foolish assumption that the regent would not object to her assumption of power. I brought a can of gas because I was under the assumption you need it. Prime Minister Prime Minister's assumption to PMO office will take place yesterday. Next word is assurance. Assurance. Assurance means promise, certainty or self-confidence. Example, Phil received assurance that his bag would eventually be found. One more example, Jake gave Phil assurance that his bag had been found when he pulled out a picture of his luggage. Next word is asteroid. Asteroid. It means small planet. Example: asteroids have become commonplace to the readers of interstellar travel stories in science fiction magazines. Next word is astigmatism. Astigmatism is a eye defect that prevents proper focus of the eye. As soon as his parents discovered that the boy suffered from astigmatism, they took him to the optometrist for corrective glasses. Next word is astral. Astral. It means relating to the stars. Example: she was amazed at the number of astral bodies the new telescope revealed. Astrology is a science which is based on the position of astral bodies in the universe. Next word is astringent. Astringent. It means binding, causing contraction, harsh or severe. Example: the astringent quality of unsweetened lemon juice made swallowing difficult. Example: next word is astronomical. Astronomical. Astronomical means enormously large or extensive. The government spends astronomical sums on defense policy and weapons procurement. One more example: it takes an astronomical amount of money to build a car factory or to set up a car factory. Next word is astute. Astute. It means wise, shrewd. Example: that was a very astute observation. One more example: professors from top universities are considered very astute. Next word is ascender. Asunder. It means into parts, apart, or take away. Their point of views are poles asunder. One more example: because his father had shown disapproval, the man said to his lover, "Let nothing tear us asunder." Next word is asylum. Asylum. It means place of refuge or shelter or protection. Example: some refugees are political fugitives who have fled their homeland to seek asylum in another country. Now you know about this. In recent past, the owner of the WikiLeaks was asking asylum to various countries. Next word is asymmetric. It means not identical on both sides of a dividing line. Means when a line is drawn at the center of the body, it will not divide into mirror images. Example: because one eyebrow was set markedly higher than other, William's face was having a particularly asymmetric appearance. Next example, her body was a little asymmetric. One eye was lower than the other, and her left arm looked slightly longer than the right. Next word is atavism. Atavism. Atavism is related to the genetics. It means resemblance to remote ancestors than to parents. Reversion of an earlier type or throwback. Example, Martin seemed an atavism to his Tuscan ancestors, who lavished great care on their small pots of soil. The appearance of tail is a symbol of atavism in humans. So this was our last word for today. Thank you.